Welcome to this video on the Quality Management Add-on for SAP Business One, presented by Kabir Consulting Group, a global SAP partner. Kabir Consulting Group offers professional services including consulting, technology, training, and more. We focus on industries like manufacturing, oil and gas, financial services, and public services, among others. We have a global presence with over 300 employees and are recognized as a top SAP B1 integrator. The Quality Management Add-on allows users to record quality management details. It manages quality checking for incoming material, finished goods, sales return, goods receipt, and pre-dispatch transactions. The add-on also includes several quality management reporting options. Let's look at the configuration aspect of the Quality Management Add-on. In the QC configuration screen, we set up the system, starting with selecting the QC and rejection warehouses. Then, we choose the stages where quality checking must occur, such as GRPO and goods receipt. The User Master Configuration screen is used to define user authorizations within the quality module. This includes assigning roles like QC Inspector and setting up disposition authorization, QC alerts, and disposition alerts for specific users. Next, we will review the master data setup. In the Item Master, a checkbox is available to mark items that require quality checking. Only items with this box checked will be routed through the quality warehouse. The QC Parameters screen allows us to define parameter code and name. We can select whether the parameter type is numeric or visual, and define its unit of measure. With Item Parameter Linking, we define parameters for different items, including minimum, standard, and maximum values, as well as visual inspection criteria. We also have the option to specify the sample size. The Rejection Code screen is where we define the reasons for rejection. These reasons will be selected during the rejection process for non-conforming items. Now let's explore the key transactions managed by the Quality Management Add-on. When a user enters a Goods Receipt Purchase Order, or GRPO, SAP automatically creates an inventory transfer from the GRPO warehouse to the QC warehouse. This stock remains unusable until cleared by the QC department. The system also automatically generates a request for quality check. This is an example of the inventory transfer document created automatically, moving the stock from the initial warehouse to the QC warehouse. A journal entry is automatically posted to reflect the inventory transfer generated from the GRPO process. When a user enters a material receipt from production, SAP automatically creates an inventory transfer to the QC warehouse. The stock is unavailable until the QC department clears it. The system simultaneously generates a request for quality check. Here we see the inventory transfer generated automatically for the receipt from production, moving material into the QC warehouse. A corresponding journal entry is automatically posted for the inventory transfer, resulting from the receipt from production. The Pending QC screen allows users to select pending inspection requests for quality inspection. Requests can be filtered by status, such as pending, cancel, or processed, and by dates or supplier codes. In the Quality Check GRPO screen, users enter observed values. If these values are within the defined minimum and maximum range, the system marks the QC as OK and automatically transfers the quantity to the OK warehouse. If the values are out of range, the item is sent for disposition. The Quality Check Receipt from Production screen is used to enter observed values for finished or semi-finished goods parameters. Similar to GRPO, if values are within range, QC is OK and quantity is transferred. Out-of-range items are sent for disposition. When the QC department confirms that observed values are within the defined range, SAP automatically creates an inventory transfer from the QC warehouse to the main warehouse. The Pending Disposition screen lists items whose quality check values were not acceptable. Users can filter this list by document status, dates, or supplier codes. The Disposition screen enables authorized users to determine the fate of the material. Available methods include accepted, rejected, partial accepted, or accepted under deviation. Rejection requires defining a pre-configured rejection reason. The system automatically creates an inventory transfer from the QC warehouse to the appropriate OK warehouse or rejection warehouse based on the selected disposition type. If the material is rejected, the system automatically creates an inventory transfer from the QC warehouse to the rejection warehouse. A journal entry is automatically generated to document the inventory transfer from the QC warehouse after disposition. The In-Process QC screen allows users to record quality control details during the production process, often based on a defined frequency, such as every 2 hours. Parameter-wise observations can be recorded here. Finally, let's look at the reporting capabilities within the Quality Management Add-on. This screen shows the selection criteria available for generating the incoming inspection report. The incoming inspection report is generated using the data recorded during the quality check of incoming material. Here are the selection criteria used to generate the finished goods inspection report. The finished goods QC report is created based on the quality check entries for finished goods. The PDI QC report presents data from the pre-dispatch inspection entries. This is the in-process QC report, compiled from the in-process quality check entries. The incoming rejection analysis report is a crucial MIS report derived from incoming inspection entries. This is the finished goods rejection analysis report, another MIS report generated from finished goods inspection data. The QC report shows results based on a selected date range, with business partner selection being optional. This specific QC report is generated after the QC team completes inspection of goods received from a vendor. Finally, this slide shows one of the available Certificate of Analysis, or COA, formats generated by the add-on. Here is an example of another COA format available within the Quality Management Add-on. Now let's briefly look at some additional functions included in the Quality Management Add-on. This function allows you to record the daily calibration of instruments, such as a pH meter, including all relevant instrument details. The Tools Cleansing Process form is used to record the cleanliness status of equipment and tools. The Intimation Process form is used by manufacturing to notify QC that an item is pending inspection, and subsequently for QC to notify manufacturing that the quality check is complete.